All right, homeowners, the 5 most common HVAC red flags. Number 1, the company recommends replacement without actually diagnosing anything. Number 2, they won't explain what is actually wrong with your system. You as a homeowner have a right to understand what part failed, why it failed, and any information that you need to know to make the best decision. Number 3, they keep adding refrigerant every year, but they never find the actual leak. Number 4, they use high pressure sales, buy today, to try to close the sale. Number 5, they replace parts without actually testing them. Let me know in the comments below what I've missed, and thank you so much for watching.